look at this amazing resupply. Ooh, tender bites. These are the best. Apparently, these are like the best bars you can get. Lots of ramen. Love that spicy ramen. What? Korean ramen. Real Korean ramen. Pasta sides for 4 or 5 days. Spam singles. I got a bunch of coffee. Some almond butter. Ooh, tortillas. What? This is going to be phenomenal. Oh, I can't wait. Thank you so much for this awesome resupply. Good morning. I'm at Shook Branch. Can you see that? Yeah, there it is. There it is. Okay, so I'm at Shook Branch. Bob dropped us off this morning. I'm slag packing 9 miles back to the hostel. I'm waiting on a package. So rather than waste a 0, 9 miles. What? Okay, check this out. Check this out. See, there's the... It says turn right. Well, there's no right. It's just a river. Yeah, exactly. It's just a river. Apparently it goes around this way. Yeah, look at that. Craziness. I know. Cliffs of insanity up there, going up to infinity. Raging torrents of despair. Behold, the cliffs of insanity. Laurel Falls. It's huge. Huge, it says. It's huge. And just in case you missed it, that little blue marker means there's water over that direction. Who knew? Ran into a couple hikers going that way. Hiker going that way. Everybody's going different ways. Look, north is way down there. South is right up there. Woo, baby! Another beautiful day.